Welcome. This is a yoga routine focusing on stretching the side body. For this class, you will need a few pillows, so go ahead and grab those, as many as you need, as many as you'd like, and we'll meet back here on the mat. Let's begin laying, reaching the hands up overhead, getting a really big stretch in here. We'll draw the hands towards your left, big side body stretch for banana pose, drawing the breath into the right rib cage and really creating that space within the right side body. We'll inhale back to center, exhale towards your right. Once again, drawing the breath this time into the left side body, creating that space within the torso. We'll inhale back to center, reach up overhead, big stretch. Exhale, release. We'll come to tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, dropping the belly, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement, moving at your own pace. Back to center, straightening the left leg, tucking the left toes, taking the right foot towards your right. So just spinning that right leg open towards your right, and we'll open up the entire body towards your left. Left toes are pointed towards the left side of the mat. Inhale, left hand reaches up and reach it over. Lengthening through the left side. If this is too intense today, no worries. Go ahead and place a block underneath the right hand. And we'll gently release. Take a moment here. And when you're ready, right leg straightens, tucking the toes. We'll spin the left foot open towards your left, opening up the entire body towards your right. Inhale, right hand reaches up and over. Tucking the tailbone here. Notice if you're sticking the tailbone out. Gently release. Shake it out. Take a moment. And when you're ready, we'll come to seated. Planting the feet on the mat, knees are bent. We'll drop the knees towards the left. And you have the option here to place pillows underneath the knees if that feels good. Or feel free to come to a pose that feels best for you if this is feeling a little iffy today. And you can rest upright if this feels okay, or begin to twist, folding over your left thigh. Option to rest your torso on a pillow, as many as you need, for deer pose. Now, if folding is a bit intense, you can stay upright if that feels best for you today. In time, the hips will begin to open up and you will begin to fold. Wherever you are, drawing the breath into the belly. Exhale, softening the belly. Observing the body here. If you're using a pillow, completely allow the pillow to support you in this pose. And we'll gently release. Opposite side, dropping the knees towards your right. Rest here or take a fold. Option to use a pillow or go without. Again, this pose won't be for everyone, depending on where you're holding tension. So feel free to come to any pose that feels best for you. Wherever you are, drawing the breath into the belly. Exhale, softening the belly. Once again, observing the body, observing the stretch. Gently release. Come to laying on your back. Hugging knees towards the chest as close as you can comfortably get them. Option to rock side to side. Rest here or grab the outer edges of the feet, bottoms of feet to touch. Release, one last tug. And we'll take the feet to the bottom of the mat, hands to your sides, palms facing up. As always, taking this one moment to just be here with the body, in the present moment, in its fully relaxed state, where we're not doing anything, no flexing, no engaging, just being here now. Observing the body part by part, going at your own pace. Observing the breath, observing any sensations that do come up, and just soaking in all the work you just did. A time of rest, but a time to be present as well. We'll begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side. When you're ready, we'll roll over towards our right. Full breath, inhale. Full exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.